We will discuss today chapter 4 logarithm. We have already discussed some part in basic mathematics. Now is a chapter 4. So already is a number system is completed. Now after that is a quadratic equation, that is algebra, is algebraic related some problems, and exponential problem is already completed. Now we will discuss the next chapter is a chapter 4 in basic mathematics, and is a name is a logarithm. Logarithm is a very important, because every time that is basic is important in a log. If you don't know in a log, that is very difficult. After that is a how to manage and how to solve the question. Lots of type is question in based on the chapter, lots of calculus and other parts is also. So now is a chapter is a logarithm. Now you see that is a logarithm, meaning is logarithm is a Greek word, then is a made by the two words. First one is a logos, or second term is a arithmos. So logos means ratio, and arithmos is a number, meaning is any number is a ratio, that is a number. So now is suppose we have already sometimes you can note down the like this a power x, and deal the these type of questions. And suppose is a lots of type of exponential question you use in a difficult type. Suppose is given 4.4, find 4 power 16, 0.005 power 17 is like this. So these type of question you discuss. Then now if you solve this type of question, it is very difficult without log. But if you're same exponential question, if you use the log, then is maybe is a very easy after that. So that's why is that time is create the logarithm. After that is in nearby 1964 AD. So now we will discuss the log. So logarithm meaning is, suppose is given a 2 power 3, that is the answer is 8, correct? So meaning is log is just a reverse form of exponents. The meaning is, suppose how many 2 is multiply, then get the 8. So is asking that is how many 2 is multiply. So how many 2? So 3 2 is multiply, that is a number is 3. So is a log value. So now is can you written it like this, 8 and is base to 2 is equal to 3. Meaning is a very simple, that is how many how many how many 2 is multiply get 8. So meaning is write down the like this 8 3, and his answer is 3. Now is the same problem is how many powers of 8 get is 3. So how many power of 2 get is 8. So same is, suppose I will just asking 16, that is a 2. So how many power of 2, how many power of 2, then is get answer is 16. So how many power, that is a 4 power. So same time is, suppose I will asking that is a 125 base 5. So how many power of 5, get answer is 125. So meaning is simply is a 3 powers right now. So is a log. How to use the log, maybe you understand is a basic definition of log. So now we will discuss and represent. So suppose you exponential, if your represent is like this n a power x. So now that is use the log. So both sides take, if you take the log, then is log. If you're shifting to this side in a simply, then is log n base a is equal to x. Now it exponential cover in a convert in a log. After that is, see, that is condition is very important. A does not equal to, so a is always greater than 0. First condition is a is always greater than 0. Second condition, a does not equal to 1. And third condition, n answer is also greater than 0. Because if it any exponential power, then see that is 2 power and any exponential power, directly answer is 0 is not be possible any condition, because minimum value is a point something 1, but is 1 is not be possible. So that's why n is always greater than condition. First, second condition, if do not use the 1, why is not be 1? Suppose if you use the 1, so 1 power is anything that you use, the directly 1 power is always is a 1, any power. So that's why is do not use the 1. Third condition, a is also greater than 0. A meaning is if you use the logarithm, that is the value, then also greater than. So is a 3 condition now is satisfied. After that is condition x, then is represent the like this. X is a log of n to be the base is a, is a represent like this. Suppose log 8 is a 2 is given. So meaning is log 8 to the base 2. How to that is speak is equal to, now is the answer, that is 3. So now is a representation. So basic after that is you will use lots of type of base in this one. So most of the 2 base is used. First base is 10, second base is e, Second base is e value, maybe someone is know that is 2.71 at something, is a math thing. It's a two type of thing. If you use the engineering, that is use the engineering type is log is a 10 value, base is 2, 8, and after that is lot of time. And if you solve in an advanced problem and lots of problem, then you maximum time, most of the time use the e. So if your base is not be given, so maybe the two possibilities is possible. Don't be confused, 10 or e is dependent on the question. Okay, so now if you use the log, base e is a meaning is a ln is represented by the ln a. Okay, is a meaning is sometimes is after is writing is a ln a, the meaning is simply is a use the log e. Okay, so most of the time, most of the important thing in a law is a property is very important. After that, we will discuss the some part in advanced questions also in only based on the logarithm. So maybe sometime is asking 2024, some question is asking same in the 2012 to 14, and some question is asking. So maybe is a practice based. I will discuss these questions also. First is based on the property. Properties is very important log. So first property is given. So now we see that log m into n is given. Now is converted in an addition form, log m plus log n. It's no, I said base is always all the three is the same. See, log m into n is equal to log m plus log n. Now is a proof that, see that this one in a same is every proof is a dependent on the exponential. Is a name is a product property. Is a name is a product property. Now see, suppose if you assume that, now we'll discuss the proof of this one is also. Suppose if you assume that is a x and this one is a y. Okay, now see that x meaning is log m to the base a. So maybe your shifting to this side is also in a converting a x, so exponent, so ax is equal to a. Simply if you're shifting to a is a base in this side, then it's converted in a anti-log. Same problem is c n a, you can assume the y. Now is see that n is equal to a power y. Same is exponential shifting, then is a power I. Now after that is multiply the both equations. So meaning is m into n is equal to a power x into a power y. Simply if you multiply, then now see mn is equal to a power x plus y easily, because after exponential properties is addition. So now after that is again is take the log. So if you're shifting to power is base is shifting to the side, then it's convert like this. In again is a log a is equal to x plus y. So if you do not confuse, simply a power x is equal to, suppose n is given, so is a shift. Now is convert in a, like this. Is a property of log. And same is a anti-log is also possible. If a is shifting to side, then it's converted into power, then n is n. Both the possibilities is possible. So see, after that is a mn and x plus y, you can assume the x is a log m and y is log n, so you can put the value. So mn a is equal to log m a plus log n. Okay. Is a, that's proof. So these also properties and every properties, I will just discuss the all the properties proof also. So every property is very important, and in these proof is also maybe sometimes proof is not be used, but in a rare case sometimes the middle of the question is used some question. Now second question is given. See that is a log is a name is a division property. So log m upon n is given. So now is converted in a log m minus n. Same thing, you know, if you see that is a proof, is assume that is x and assume that is y. So meaning is x is equal to log m a. A shifting to this side, then is converted in an exponential form. Same thing in this one is a y, that is a log n a. Now is the same is a power y n. Now both is a that time is never not do not multiply, is a divide. So if you divide, then see m upon n is equal to, now we see that a power x upon a power y. Now you see the meaning is a power x minus y. Yes or no? So is the meaning is m upon n is convert a power x minus y. After that is again is take the log. So if you shifting to this side, then is converting a base m upon n is equal to x minus y. and you know that the x minus y is a log m minus log n. So now is this one is log m a is equal to log x is a log a, m and is a y log n. That's proof. So first probably we will discuss the first is product property. Now is mn is convert in m plus n log m plus log n. Second one is a division property. So division property is log m upon n is given, so is convert log m minus log n. So both are easy. Third property we will discuss, that is see that is a exponential power is shifting to multiplication, and meaning is power is shifting to coefficient. Now you see that any for example is given, suppose log 2 base 3 is given, so directly power is shifting to exponential, is converted into log 2. Now is see that is a proof of this one is also, see is a property log m is a power n, directly n is a replace, that is a coefficient. Okay, so same is first one, see if your m and if you put the x, now is take the antilog, so m upon n is shifting to a power x, a is shifting to this side, then is converted in exponential. After that you see that m is equal to a power x, or power also shifting to power is 1 upon n, same thing in an exponential power property. So after that again take the log, so log if you shifting then is a base log m is equal to, that is x upon n. After that if n is multiplication is shifted, then is x is equal to n log m a, simply. So that's proof. So these are the proofs also. It's a easy, not be the hard, but in a question at that time if you apply the property is very important, how to apply, which property you will choose and apply is a very important. So and as a condition is n does not equal to 0, if you're 0 then is not be nothing is possibilities. Now is same properties are discussed, suppose base power is given, so now is converted in a 1 upon n in coefficient. Same thing if you suppose if you prove there, prove, so if you assume that is log m base a power n is equal to, you can assume the x, if you're shifting to this side then now see m is equal to log, sorry, is converted in a power, so a power n or is a whole power x, simply. So if you same thing if you take the both side in possibilities, so now is 1 upon n is something, so now we see m is equal to, if your a shifting to the side only, so now is log m a is equal to n power is x, is a multiplication, sorry, because is a whole power is given is a x, so is convert in a multiplication is nx, is a convert a power nx, so now is nx. After it is n is shifting to this side, then is 1 upon n log m base a is equal to x. That's is proof. That's proof. So every properties we will discuss already. There's the 4 properties to discuss. First is the product property. Now is m log m into log n is convert log m plus log n. Second one is a division property, log m upon n is convert log m minus log n. Third one is a property is a power shifting to coefficient. Same is a base power shifting to 1 upon coefficient. Same thing, both the properties are sometimes used up at a time both. So now is like this. Suppose log m base a and is a same is, I'll just assume that is a m or this is a n base b. So now is the meaning is a by b log m I, because it's a power of m is a meaning is shifting to coefficient directly, and power of n is a 1 upon b. So both are at a time is also used like this. Okay. Next property is not be the property, is a change the base concept. Suppose the same thing if is given, like see that is a log b base is a, so now is convert is at a time use the another base and is use the, but is use the same base both, convert in a logically log b upon log a and is use the another base is a c, is easy. So these properties not be proof is already in this one, After that is in this property, lots of property is possible in this side. So log, see that is log a and base b is given. So if you interchange, then is 1 upon something is changes like this. Suppose in if you, that is log a is b. So now you see that is a proof. Suppose if you use the log a upon log b, after that is use the both is a base is a. Now you see that is one more property is used. If is a this one or this one, if the log value and log base is same, then now his answer is 1. This one is also property. I will discuss after that this property. So now you see that is a this one is a directly 1. So now is a remaining is 1 upon log b base a. It's simple. So this one is also part of the this one. Okay. Now you see that it's not be the property, but it's sometimes is a deal. Is a multiply then, but it's a cross system is also is working in this. So there's a base is b, and now is start in b. Base is c. Now is start in the c. That is directly answer is 0. That is a proof. If you see that is proof log a log b same is you can convert c log c, sorry log b log c multiply log c log d. Now is log c, c cancel, b cancel, remaining is log a divided by log b. Is the meaning is log a and base b is not be the b, is a d. That's proof. So sometimes is given a multiplication, then is also convert. So this one is also very important. Sometimes is given a question as a question, this property. After that, this one is according to me is a very important property, very important. Why is it important? Is it then is one possibility then cover in interchange the base value, that is exponential, and c. See that in this question, see a is replaced by c. See that is c or a, and b base is same. So how to that is proof of this property? Now see, simply is how to working this property. Suppose given 2 power log 3 base is any probe. Suppose if I'll assume that is a base, so now is converted 3 log 2 and his base is same. Then it's lots of time use of this property in interchange form. So now after that you see that the proof in this property is very easy. Suppose a log c and base, if you assume that is x, okay, after that take the log both side and use the base is b. Okay, so if you take the log both side, then see a base b and is a whole power log c and b, and if you take the log both side, then his base is b. So if you I will take the log both side and base is used. After that see power is shifting to coefficient. So now you see log c base b same is log a base b is equal to log x base b. After that you see that, can you see if your is multiplication given, so you can interchange is possible because 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2 also possible. So now is converting like this log a base b into log b base log c base a base b. Okay, after that is log x is the same and base is b also same. So now is coefficient is converted in power. So see that log c base b and is a whole power log a b. Convert in a power coefficient, reverse is also possible x b. After that is both side is base is same. Now is c meaning is anti log use, meaning is log is removed, so c is equal c power log a base b is equal to x, and that's proof interchange possible. Now see, so this property is very useful, and how to use maybe you understand. After that some possibilities. Now you see that this one is also very easy. So suppose log 1 is always 0. Now because if you're anti-log in both sides, then it's a power 0, and any number that is power is 0, as only on a is not be possible 0, otherwise is already know that is a is always greater than. So that is a answer is 1. So that's true. So any log 1 value is 0. Now is log n to the base n is a base is same, is the meaning is answer 0. Simply n is equal to n power 1, and this any number is power is 1 is same number. Same is this one is also very important property is a and a. If you're same, then his answer is also n directly. So suppose a log n and his base is directly answer is, suppose for example is given log that is a 2 and 2 and directly answer is n. This type of, so it's a easily proof also. See, a, if you log both sides, then you see log n, a is equal to log a n. So both are equal, and if you're sitting to the side, then the same possibilities. So this one is also very important. So these are the only 11 properties, and 11 properties are enough for is any questions, and but it's very very important. Every properties is a very important role in a log, because log is a very important chapter, and maybe every student is first time is handle this situation in a log, because before 10 is not be the inner syllabus in a CBSE. So in a first time, maybe some student is face the log, and maybe someone is faced that in a 10th class, then is very basic properties, log m into log product properties and division properties, otherwise is not be. So is a total is 11 property, and all are is very important. So now we will discuss some question based on the property. Is a some question is a level, but it's okay, it's a based on the practice. After that is I will discuss this in a next lecture, maybe in a chapter 4 next lecture also, and I discuss the some advanced level problems in based on only log. So now we will start. So now is given, see that is given, what is the log of 32 multiplied by 4 power 1 by 5 to the base is 2 root 2. Okay, so now is the meaning is, suppose is given log of a to the base b, is the meaning is, now is see that is a power b, yes or no. So in this question, if you see that is the meaning is log 32 4 power is a 1 by 5 and is a 2 root 2. Okay, so it's totally is based on the power concept. Now you see that in a, can you convert in a exact power is any number. Now in, you see that is 32 meaning is how many power of 2. So 2 power, how many power, that is 2 power, I think is a 5, I think is a 5 powers. See that 4 power 1 by 5 meaning is 2 power 2 by 5, correct. 4 is a given, 4 power 1 by 5 meaning is 4 power 1 by 5, and the meaning is 2 power 1 by 5. Okay, after this both are multiplication given, so can you power is 8, so meaning is 2 power 5 plus 1 by 2 by 5. So meaning is your power is convert 2 powers, 25 27 by 5. So 2 power 27 by 5 is a your log value. Okay, after that is a base power is also convert. See that is 2 power 2 root 2 meaning is 2 into 2 power 1 by 2 is a meaning is 2 power 1 plus 1 by 2 meaning is 2 power 3 by 2. Now is a meaning is 2 power 3 by 2 is a, now your question is convert. See log 2 power 27 by 5 or 2 power 3 by 2. So that time is discuss the property. See that is I will discuss the property. See a power n, m power n a or n power b is given, meaning is a by b log m n. So now is converted in a property according to this property. If you apply, then see is meaning is 27 by 5. After there is 1 upon b meaning is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 can you represent the like this. Now is log 2 and is base 2. If base and log is same, then is 0, sorry, is a 1 answer. Is a more property log n to be base is n, is answer is 1. So now is the meaning is this one is 1 totally. If is 1, then is calculate as only answer. So 3 is a cancel out 9 times. So 9 into 2 is a 18 divided by 5 is the answer. So maybe in this question we will apply the these two properties. First one is this one, and second one is this one. I think is an easy question. Is only based on the power game. Okay. Now we will discuss the second question. Second question is given. Now you see that is log 4 by 3 and is a 1.3. Use the recurring, that is proof that is 1. So how to first is you know that the 1.3 recurring. So 1.3 is already covered in a number system. This trick is 1.3 that is written is like this 13 13, and after that subtracted 1. If not is any number is not be recurring, then is subtracted and divided by how many number is recurring, then you use the number of times is n, 9. So is one number is recurring, so I use 9, so meaning is 12 by 9. 12 by 9 is meaning is 4 by 3. So now you see that log is a 4 by 3 and base also 4 by 3, answer is 1 simply. So is a proof. So is a meaning is main important role is a recurring in this question. Next question we'll discuss, that is C is given m is equal to n factorial. N factorial, factorial meaning is, if you don't know, that is meaning is, suppose any multiplication in a rhythm, suppose given, suppose 3 factorial. 3 factorial meaning is 3 into 2 into 1, up to that is a multiply. Suppose 5 factorial given, 5 factorial meaning is 5 into 4, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Suppose is a 7 factorial given, the meaning is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same is n factorial given, meaning is same is multiply n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 2, up to that is a 2 into 1, up to possibilities is a n factorial. Okay, so in this question now is given, now after that is find the value that log n and is a minus 1 power, same is log n base 3 minus 1. So now you see that is all the base is different, and if base is different, then is addition is not be possible, multiply all the possibilities not be possible. But you see that is a given one, just one, use the one term. Now you see log n is a base 2 and is a whole power is minus 1. So can you written the like this, log n is a base, and is this one is also can we convert in a like this is a base interchange, and is like this possibilities is possible in the according to property. Now is a property is this one, I'll show that is property also. According to this property is a reverse possibility is also possible. So now in this question, see, interchange in the same time is same discussion, this one is also in the interchange is possible, and base 3 and is a minus 1. So meaning is you can return the like this, and is a directly interchange, and same possibility up to n is possible. So now after that is see that is your question is convert. First one is in a same possibilities is possible up to n. So now can you convert in the first one is log 2 base n plus log 3 base n plus log 4 base n up to log n base n. Is it possible? After that is seen the product property. Now is log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. Is a infinite time is also possible. Multiply the m into n, all the is converted in a product. So now is a meaning is a convert in a product. So meaning is like this, log base is same. If a base is same, then it's possible. Other if a base is different, then it's not be possible. So 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 up to n. And now is a name is n factorial. So now is n and is a n factorial. And n factorial is already given in this question. Now is a log is a n factorial divided by n, and n factorial in this question is given a value is n. See, n factorial is equal to capital N and n. Now his answer is 1. So is based on these properties very important if you know that reverse property. Next question we will discuss, then is see that is log x square minus 2x is equal to given 3 log 3 log 6. Now after that is see, can you properties according to power product property you can convert in the like this. Now is power shifting to coefficient, and the same thing you can convert in the 2 log 2 and log x, use the multiply property. So if you use the minus is given, so meaning is you see that is a m into n, but is use the minus in outside, then both are converted in a negative multiplication form. If you don't know, that is I'll just use the bracket. After that is see, in a log property now is given 3 log 3 and 6 is can you convert in the 3 into 2, 3 into 2. So if you convert in the 3 into 2, then is 3 plus log 2, use the bracket, because after that is bracket is negative form is given. After that see, if you open the bracket, then see 2 log x minus log 2 plus log x 3 log 3 log 3 and is used the minus log 2. Okay, after that is shifting to all the proper all the parts in a variable form, that is shifting to left side. So his meaning is log x and is log x 2 times, then is now is 3 times log x. After that log 2 is shifting to this side, then is c, both are cancel out, both are sign is same, so meaning is cancel out this sign or this time. After that c log 3 is a 2 times log, so 2 times log 3. Now we see that is power shifting to power, so log x base power is 3, log 3 base power is 2. So after that is anti log, so meaning is log cancel out, x power 3 is equal to 3 power 2. It's easy. Now we will check the again 3, correct, 3 log 3. Okay, now log 2 is cancel out both side, correct. So is the meaning is x is equal to 3 power 2 by 3. Now is the answer. Is just is asking only x value, so x value is easy. 2 is simple to this according to property. Okay, after that is see question is given 2 plus 3 root 3 and its base is 2 minus root 3 and is how to pair is a possibility. So now is suppose maybe someone is used like this, a b is not be converted in a log b, is a totally is a wrong in a log multiplication is converted in a addition form, but is individually also not be possible in like this. So some maybe be careful please. Okay, so now is given, so can you see that is a rationalize is possible or not. So rationalization process is like this. Now you see that 2 plus root 3 is given. Now you see, now is 2 plus root 3, if you see that, so can you rationalize the both sides. So rationalize meaning is 2 root 3 multiply or divide 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. After that is c, if you multiply then a plus b m minus b formula, so is it 4 2 square minus root 3 square is a 3 divided by 2 minus root 3, meaning is convert 1 by 2 minus root 3. Now we see that 2 plus root 3 is the meaning is 2 plus root 3 is the meaning is 2 minus root 3 power minus 1. Okay, so meaning is if you put the value, now see is the meaning is 2 minus root 3 minus 1 or 2 minus root 3. So now you see that is minus 1 shifting to this side, then it's base or same. So base is the same, that is the meaning is directly answer is minus 1 because this one is only 1. Okay, so one more question is remaining. Now is sorry, it's 2 more questions, so we will discuss the more question. Now you see that is question given 2 power log 18 base 6 same is 3 power log 3 base is 6. Now see that after that is 2 into 3 is directly is not be possible, and both are the not be same, so that's why it's not be possible. But you see that is this one, can you see that is 18, can you convert in a 6 into 3 in this powers. Now you see there is 2 power in only just I will just deal with the this one in a 18 base 6. So can you return it like this 6 into 3, right? So meaning is multiplication convert into product, so 6 plus log 3 6, this one is 1. So now is the meaning is 2 power convert 1 plus log 3 base 6. After that is a 3 power log 3 base 6. So now you see that is again in this one is 2 power 1 into 2 power log 3 base 6, yes or no. And the same condition now you see that in this one, and is after that is 3 log 3 6. So can you this can apply the this property. Now see that is given 2 log 3 base 6. So can you return it like this 3 log 2 base 6 interchange AC is already discussed the AC interchange. Now is discuss this property and its proof also discuss C log A and base is also B. So same thing in applying this one. So 2 is the same 2 power and is a 3 power log 2 and base 6, and now is a 3 power log 3 base 6. After that is both are the 3 3, then is addition is possible. So 2 power is 1 is multiplication. After that is a 3 powers is 8. So 3 power if you're 8, then is C 2 6 plus 3 base 6. Now is converted in the multiplication addition form. So 2 power 2 into 3 power log 2 into 3 and is base 6, and both are that 6 log 6. So see that is log 6 and base 6 is equal to 1. So now is meaning is 2 into 3 power 1. So meaning is 6 answer. So this one is also very important property, sometimes is used. After that is one more question. Now you see that is such that is given k belongs to n. N meaning is natural number. Right? After that is given log x base 2, log x base 3, log its base is 4, log x base is 8 is equal to given log x and k. After that is given k is equal to a power 1 by b, and after that is find the a plus b. Now is a b is a prime number. Okay, after that is firstly is deal on this one. Can you return is like this log x base 2, and is 4 is given 2 power 2, and same is 8 is written is 2 power 3, in a same is log x base k. After that is see that is 2 and 3 is the power is shifting to the coefficient, so x2. After that is 1 by 2 log s2 according to this property. Now see that log e power n is given, so now is a 1 upon n log m base. Okay, same is 1 by 3 log x base 2 is equal to log x base k. After that is 1 by log x is common and 2 is common, so now is remaining is 1 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 only. Correct. After that is see if you add, then see firstly is both are condition. Now is 11 by 6 plus 5, that is 11 by 6, and log x to the base 2 is equal to log x to the base k. Okay, if you're shifting to total is a power, so now we see that is log is x power 11 by 6 is a base 2 is equal to log x k. If you're anti-log in a both side, then you see now you see x, that is meaning is only that is k is equal to, you can like this, it never be shifted to 6 by 7. So can your powers is used in 2. Okay, 2 power 6 by 11 is a reverse form, because 1 upon b. Now you see that is like this 1 upon b log a and base b and is a n. So now is n is shifting to the side, meaning is log b power n a. So now is used this property in the same power shifting. After that if you say that is compare, then is k is equal to 2 power 6 by 11. Okay, now is a k value 6 by 11, so meaning is k value is given uh, a by 1 by b, and now is a b is a prime number. So if you see that is a power 6 by 11, the meaning is can you convert in a like this, k is equal to 2 power 6 power 1 by 11, because b is a 11, that is a prime number. After that is a also is a possibilities, because 1 is given, so a power 6 is a 64, so 64 power 1 by 11. If you compare, then is a is equal to 11, sorry, a is equal to 64 or b is equal to 11. So 64 is asking that is a plus b in this question. Now is a plus b meaning is 64 plus 11, that is a 75, and is a final answer of this question. Now if you see that is again, this one is also important. Now is in this question, this one, so his meaning is 11 by 6 is written in 1 upon 6 by 11. If you have any doubt, then is converting like this. After that is converting the n powers in like this form. So do not confuse in this problem also. So meaning is I will discuss the every types in the questions. So maybe if you're firstly if you pose the question, after that is try, and after that is, if you don't know, then is see the solution. Is a practice how to practice, that is a best method. Firstly just multiply. Firstly just pose the question, after that is try to solve. After that, if you don't know, then you see the question. Okay, In the next lecture we will discuss some advanced problems in based on, see, that is a 2024 advanced JEE advanced, and see the JEE advanced 2022 paper 2, same is a JEE advanced 2018. So these are the based on the only log based properties question. So we will discuss this question. After that is in the next lecture. If you see that is maybe is benefit for you, then is like and subscribe, and is already covered. Number system is already covered, algebra is also already covered, algebraic properties and exponential and radical form is all are covered, and these questions is also covered in a best way. So please go and support.